Hello everyone, I am Sushil Sunil Mahajan.
I am Lekhraj Wagh. I am Himanshu Avinash Chaudhary.
I am Vinayak Paspandi.
My name is Dinesh Patil.
You all might be aware that in India, we generally use right hand drive vehicle. When we want to turn left, we use the left indicator and we use right indicator for turning right. But while driving on highway, I have observed that the drivers use right side indicator to allow vehicle coming from the behind to overtake them. I find it very confusing as a giving a right side indicator means both things, that the driver of the vehicle wants to turn right and the driver of the vehicle is telling you that you can overtake him from the right side. This confusion leads to so many accidents. So use additional green indicators in indicator system. This is the scope of my idea. For this purpose I am programmed the TIVA C series TM4C123GXL launchpad using Energia software. Green light is used for the indication the behind vehicle to pass from the parallel side. We are always see the green signal or green light is always shows safety. This idea is also one of them to improve safety. Definitely while overtaking behind vehicle is safely get forward from front vehicle. Its system is more helpful to driver and without any confusing in indicators. This system is required for reducing accidents and improving safety. The feasibility of this idea is nowadays any vehicle company is trying a new implementation in our vehicle for increasing the selling and selling cost is also increased for the earning of profits. So this idea is also new and useful for the implementation in the vehicles. Yes, this idea is exhibits intricate features with product differentiation because this is a safety device and easy to develop and also people easily aware about this device. Power is required 12 volt. This battery voltage normally is in all vehicles and its performance like a indicator system of vehicle. Nothing is different and size is varying according to vehicle. In this idea, the advanced part is only to use the additional green indicator in vehicle indicator system panel. For this we use flashing or blinking of green lights and also ultrasonic sensor are used for the understanding to driver a behind vehicle is closer to his vehicle and he understand the behind vehicle is want a pass and driver take the pass manually using the green flasher or indicator. This technology is used in this project. Scalability in this idea is today we are use the yellow indicator for the both turning and overtaking purpose. But this rule is confuse the driver while driving on the highway. So this rule is not suitable for this and scalability is also reduced because more chances of happening accident. So use the additional green indicator specially for as a overtaking indicator. Then the scalability also in increase with safety. Justification is offered for the choice of components is depends upon the it varies according to vehicle. I am using in the prototype the TIVA C series TM4C123GXL launchpad. It is a TI tool. This is used for the flashing a light and add some extra features to connect with the ultrasonic sensor for detecting the range distance of between behind vehicle. Any safety device is easily grab the market because for human being safety is always on first preference. I think not happening developmental roadblocks for this idea. This idea is directly finalized. They does not require a test plan. And this is not only safety device, it is a future device. This idea behavior is to save the life of vehicle and human life.
This is the TI launchpad. So firstly TI launchpad is connected to green light indicator through switch, and the TI launchpad is connected with the parking sensors of the vehicle. This parking sensor is detect the range distance of behind vehicle. When the behind vehicle is cross the limit of specified distance, then this sensor is transmit electric signals to driver cabin in the form of small blinking light inside the speed indicator board to see the green indicators. When the light is blink, then driver can provide a green light indication to behind vehicle manually according to scenario in front of him, and then behind vehicle is safely get forward. That is, green indicator is a confirmation provide to behind vehicle to overtake it.